Clean the filters of the LG PA11WS portable air conditioner. Remove the cover and the lower filter. Do the same for the upper filter. Make sure to use a soft brush when cleaning the filters. And do not forget to clean the covers. When putting back the cover, make sure it is properly seated. Then put back and secure the cover.